There is one asset class the ultra-rich have been quietly piling into for 24 months, while everyone else I just moved 68% of my net worth into it last week. And when you see what it is, you're going to be absolutely furious. Look, I've been in finance for 17 years. I've watched 3 market cycles. I've seen the rich get richer during every single crash, and they do it the same way every time. While retail investors were panic selling stocks in 2022 and 2023, while crypto brothers were getting liquidated, while real estate gurus were sweating their over-leveraged Airbnb, the billionaires were doing something completely different. They were buying cash-flowing private businesses. Not stocks, not crypto, not even traditional real estate. Boring, unsexy businesses like regional HVAC companies, waste management routes, laundromats in BDR cities, medical billing software companies, stuff that prints $40,000, $200,000 per month in profit, runs without your existing teams in place, sells for 3 to 5x earnings, not 50x like tech stocks, has real assets and real cash flow. Here is what nobody tells you. Warren Buffett, Berkshire owns 70+ private businesses you've never heard of. Blackstone has $90 billion in private equity, mostly boring businesses. Even Mark Cuban said in 2023, the best investment right now is buying cash-flowing businesses under $10 million. I bought my first one 11 months ago, a commercial cleaning company doing $780,000 a year profit. I put down $2.1 million, financed half. I haven't touched the operations once. It's already up to $940,000 a year profit. I just got a buyout offer for $6.8 million. Here is why you should be furious. While Wall Street was selling you on index funds and 7% annual returns, the rich were buying actual income-producing assets, returning 30 to 80% annually. I don't want you to know this game exists because there aren't enough deals for everyone. The moment Main Street figures out they can buy a $50,000 laundromat route that pays $6,000 a month, the game changes. So here's what I'm doing in 2025. I'm putting another $4.2 million into 3 more acquisitions, and I'm documenting the entire process. Due diligence financing. Deals I pass on. Deals I close. If you want in on this world, comment business below and I'll send you. 1. The 3 websites I use to find these deals to. My due diligence checklist, free download. 3. How to finance deals with 10 to 20% down even if you're not rich yet. The 1% keeps this quiet for a reason. Now you know why. 68% of my net worth is now in private businesses. Will you stay in the stock market casino or join me? Comment business for the playbook.